What's up, Amazons? Welcome back to my channel. I had realized that I lost one of my earrings, but then I never went to find it. Do I care that much? I don't think so. Today we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box for the month of August. I never ever get my box this early, so I'm quite happy about that. So this month's theme is Dusk Till Dawn, and let me see what I got. Alright, the first product is this OPV Beauty Glow Perfect Face Palette. This multi-purpose face palette contains a magical trio of highlighter, bronzer, and blusher, proving to be the perfect multifunctional beauty kit. Alright, so this retails for $34, and it says it is a new launch. Like, breaking a box open isn't hard enough, so you have to add plastic on top of it. Oh, good Lord. I can't. I just can't. I'm breaking you. I'm trying to break you free. Oh, you want to go to your home? Oh, that was a lot. And there's a piece of plastic on top of it, too. Okay. Maybe we'll actually get to find out what it looks like in this video. And just as expected, all that work, that highlighter is going to be way too dark for me. It's a pretty bronzer shade. It does have a shimmer in it, and that is a really pretty coral shade, but I wouldn't be able to use that highlighter. Okay, second we have, oh, I think I've already received this. Yeah, I have. This is a LaRousse Beauty, the Christine set. It includes a duo fiber cheek brush, a small angled cheek brush, a small concealer brush, a small flat shader brush, medium domed blending brush, and a graphic. So I don't have it to see. I don't think I remember there being duochrome or duo fiber brushes though. Those are real nice for my blush. Oh, I think this is a different set. It retails for $50. So I love getting brushes. I do like the quality of the brushes. I'm not sure if I'll ever use the case, maybe for traveling, but yeah. Ooh, I'm really excited for the next product. Is this what I chose? This is the Galactic Metallic Eye Sparkle Shadow. Okay, so this retails for $20. I believe I got the shade Glam. Oh, yeah, the color is in Glam. It's like a bronze liquid eyeshadow. You know what? I think this was a choice item, but some of the other colors that I might have chosen first were already out of stock. Ooh, but that's really pretty. And I honestly don't think I have a liquid eyeshadow in that color. It's a really pretty bronze. Okay. Next is, I don't know if it's KAB or CAB, I think it's KAB Beauty Loose Setting Powder. Setting powder mattifies, locks in makeup, and minimizes shine in all-in-one. And this retails for $30. It's really hard with powders to tell until you use it. And it does have a seal. I'll have to look at some of the reviews and see if I'm going to keep it, because I do have a lot of powders. And the last product is this Today's Sunset to the Stars Lip Oil. This ultra shiny gloss is infused with nourishing coconut oil and pomegranate seed oil to plump and hydrate, plus a sheer shimmery pink tint that you can build with each stroke. That's what I needed to hear. I was so disappointed about getting a lip oil until I saw a sheer shimmery pink tint. That's all it takes. So this retails for $27. Ooh, I went from super disappointed to super excited. Yes! And here is what it looks like. Okay. I can't use my phone to calculate the retail price because I'm recording on it. Let's see if my math team skills are still there. So this the total retail value for this box was $161. I am not excited about this palette. I'm excited about this lip oil. What else? I'm excited about this liquid eyeshadow. I may be excited to try this. And then, oh, the brush set. I definitely am excited about that. And I think overall it was a good box. Let me know if you made it in time for Choice Day, what you chose, or if you got any of the same products as I did down in the comments below. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.